Hello guys, welcome to DHAATRI Solutions. Today I will show you a project called Library Management System. In general scenario, what will be the library? Library is a place where we can have lots of books, lots of genres, lots of kinds of categories of books we available in a college or a university, etc. In every place. Now, the users or the students who want some book, they have to visit, they have to look for the book which they're searching for the shelves, for the everything. They have to do it in physically. They have to visit the library. They have to search everywhere. So to avoid this time consuming process, we have created this website where the librarian will add the books that are available, including the categories such as science, history, fiction, every kind of book category, which are the authors available in the library, the books, the genres, everything will be added by the librarian. So students or those who want a book to borrow a book, they can easily search it through this website. They can find how many copies are available, is the book available to borrow, everything will be clear and visible to them. So if the book is not available, they don't have to invest that much time to search for the unavailable book, right? So this way it is a very convenient way that we can actually send the request to borrow the book. The thing is, the process will be everything in done in this website. So the students or the person who want that book is only to go and pick that book up. It's such an easy process if we do things like this. For this purpose, we have created this application. Let's look at the flow once. This website we have three modules: admin, librarian, and member. Admin is the person who handles this website and the librarians and everything. Admin in this project have predefined login credentials. With this login credentials, admin will log in. After logging into his account, admin will add the librarians who is going to manage the all the things in the library. For that reason, admin will add the librarian, and admin can also view the details of the librarian who he added earlier. So after that, admin will verify the members who is going to register in this website, because every user should be authentic. They have to responsible for the borrowed books. They should return, everything should be in an order. So for that reasons, members will be verified by the admin first of all when they register. Librarians will log in with the credentials that were given by the admin while registration. With that email and password, librarians will log in. After logging into their accounts, librarians will add the book categories available in the library. Book categories are and what are the authors' books will available there, who are the famous authors or every author. That's a good thing that people can also search for the particular author for every kind of book, right? So librarian will add the authors, and librarians can view the author names as well. Librarians will add the shelves, in which shelves which category of books are available, and based on these three category, author and bookshelves, librarian will add the books. So easily we can find in which shelf the books are available through by looking at the website, right? That's an easy thing. Members, as we have discussed, they have to register by giving their details like their ID details, their name, phone number, password, etc. After verified by the admin only, members can able to log in. After logging into their accounts, members can search books by author name, by categories, by the book name itself. After searching, they will find some books which they are searching for. After viewing them, they can send the borrow request to the librarian. This request will be visible in the View Progress page. In this page, librarian will see the member's request for a particular book. Here, librarian will accept or reject it if the copies are available. That's another scenario. After accepting it, librarian will mention which day, which is the written date or due date. By then, the member have to return the book. or after before accepted by the library, members can able to cancel their borrow request as well. After taking the book, members can send the written book request. This request will read again sent to the librarian. Librarian will accept the book written and the book will be returned successfully. Librarian can view all the borrower's history as well. Is that simple it is. Let's look at the website once. This is our homepage. Library management system. Admin will have predefined login credentials, username as admin and password as admin too. After logging into account, admin will add the librarians. Librarian employee ID, first name, yeah, first name is Charles and last name is Neil. Email address at gmail.com. Phone number, password, designation. Library added. View librarians, click on here. You can see the librarians who are available, who are added by the admin here, the designation, the phone number, everything, etc. Librarians will log in with the credentials that were given by the admin, so they will log in with that email ID and password. This is the homepage of librarian. Librarian will add the book categories. This is the book category. They can mention author name, add author. Author as well added. Shelves will mention. Librarian will mention on which shelf this particular psychology books available. Fourth shelf it is. So add book. Book ID, or we can say ISBN number. ISBN number is the unique number for every book that will publisher will identify each and every book uniquely. This will be 13 digits we have to give it. I guess I give the wrong. Yeah, title. Some title. Which category, which author, which shelf. Librarian will select. Publisher name. Published year. Number of pages. Language. Book type. Available in how many copies? 5. Description. In description, we have to select the picture of the book. Let's see. Yeah. Add. Yes. Book is added. We can see here. In progress, we can see the requests from the members. So members have to register first. I'm sorry, I'm given the name. Their ID, they have to mention their first name, last name, their email address, phone number, password, address. Some address, and member added register successfully, they can log in now with the email and password they have given when they are registering. We have discussed that admin verify all the members registered in the website. Before activation, members cannot be logging into their account, so let's log in as admin to verify the members accounts. View members, these are the members that were registered in this website. Activate, the status changes to activated. Now members can able to log in into their accounts with that email ID and password. Yeah, they can view the books here. These are the books currently available. Psychology of body, if they want to, they can even search it by giving the genres, types of books they have to. They can even choose. Check out. We cannot follow this book. Let's check out. View book request. This request has sent. Oh, once the book is already sent request, we cannot borrow this book again. That's the issue. We have sent the request, so again we cannot send it. So librarians can check it. In progress, we can see the requests. This is the request that was sent by Madison student. Now they can accept it. The due date they have to mention. Therefore, they can select it. Book is assigned. Let's see. Members. Madison. View book request. Yeah. This is the book we don't want to. So this book is already assigned to this particular member. If they want to return it, the due date is 4. So they can even return it before it. They can book. They return the book. The librarian will have to accept it. Signed. Mark as accept. The book returned. So this is all about this library management website. Hope you guys understand. Thank you for watching.